What it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. I'm your host P Fire, aka Phoenix the Fireboy, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, let's get into it. Today I'm at base, so we're gonna do it a little bit different. Let's do it. So today, guys, I'm showing you a few pairs of CP Company tracksuit bottoms. Everybody needs a tracksuit bottoms. Here we go. Olive pair. What are we saying? Minty kind of green. What are you saying? Yellow. And a little pair called navy blue. Alright guys, shall I show you what's going on? Let me show you what's going on. Let's get into it. Okay, leave the navy there, leave that there, leave that there. So of course, you know the trackies, you've seen me wear them a few times. Yeah, of course they got the lens right there, and they've got that one pocket, of course, nice tapered at the bottom, elasticated, super dope, CP Company in there. Okay. I'm not sure if anyone's doing any fakes of these, but you can easily tell if it's a fake, I'm sure. Just check the labels. Obviously you want your Certi logo and all of that stuff, but I don't think people are doing too crazy, just because of obviously creating that's probably a long thing, although people will create anything. So that is a nice olive pair, really nice. I've got this pair already. This pair I bought for my daughter because she's a lucky girl. Of course, I've got this mint green pair, which is very nice as well. Gorgeous little pair there, as you can see. Equilibrium saying beautiful things, so it's exactly the same. Nothing too much to show. Of course, showing you that colour. Look at that colour. So beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, if I was to rock up with these and this, do you think I'm winning? I think I could possibly be winning. Do you know what I mean? White t-shirt, something like that. You know, it's a win-win, I think. Boom. Okay, so the fourth pair, as you can see, is this blue pair. But if you're eagle eye amongst you, might notice that it's already a little bit different. Can you see what that says? So these are, let me just open these up. So these are the Armani CP Company collab pair. I went to the store the other day and these were hidden underneath a bunch of other stuff. I saw it. It's a size small. I normally wear a small in the CP Company because it gives me that sort of really slim tapered fit. Not a problem at all. I'm a medium generally, but I wear a small if I can, just for that extra tapered, you know. So yeah, really nice. As you can see, these got a little bit of encoutrement there because they got that diagonal zip which is going across right there. Of course, you've got your normal, but if you open it up, you see, there you go, Emporio Armani CP right there. Of course, you've got your normal taggage right there, like I said, size small, as you can see. Really nice pair, these. They got side pocket, two side pockets, plus that diagonal. So instead of like the other pair where it's just got that pocket, it's got a diagonal pocket. Really nice, guys. I believe I'm keeping them. I'm not sure. I might sell. I'm definitely going to keep the blue. I might sell these. The thing about selling these is it's no point selling them because you know you're always going to need a pair of tracksuit bottoms. But yeah, we'll see. I do have another video coming soon with CP Company shorts. Those I'm definitely selling. So yeah, I will see you at that video and I'll let you know what's for sale. So guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've shown you some CP Company tracksuit bottoms, and yeah, that is that really, guys. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, Phoenix the Fireboy, aka Peas Are Good, and this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end, guys. Stay dope, stay fly, and please leave your comments down below. Much love. Peace.